Have you ever wondered how communication actually works?
Why sometimes it's one way?
Or why is still a communication even if not seems to be?
Today, all your questions will be answered as we talk about the three models of communication: the linear, the interactive, and the transactional model.
We will explain on how each model works and how come it is belong to that model. So stay there and let's start this.
Good day everyone, my name is Wesley Ayang and we will be talking about the things we all do every day. Communication. Communication is not all about writing or speaking. It is also about understanding and building relationships with others. Whether we are sharing opinions, solving problems, or working in a team, we need communication. Good communication allows us to share our thoughts, ideas, and emotions clearly. In short, communication is the key to strong relationships, successful teamwork, and personal growth. By developing our communication skills, we are not only improving ourselves, but also uplifting the people around us. Thank you, and let's grow as better communicators every day. Again, my name is Wesley Andres Ayang, contestant number 1. The scene you saw is an example of linear communication because the sender delivers a message without any response, making it a one-way communication.
Sa gitna man ng daan, mga saglit na inilikha, kakaibang tama nang sinag sa iyong kutis na kayo manggiyosan ba ako dinadala? Bawat ngiting biglang nabura, iyong naipinta. Hiwaga ng iyong tingin nang naalipin kahit saan man madala. Di pinapansin, ingay sa tabi, magulong kapaligiran, sa'yo lang ang tingin. Di pinapansin, ika'y paiikutin ng dahan-dahan sa gitna man ng daan. Sa bawat sandaling ikaw ay pinagmamasdan, may dumadapong kiliti na di
The scene you saw was an example of interactive communication because it is a two-way, where information is exchanged back and forth.
Have you heard about the rumors about that girl?
What?
Some chismosa says that she's pregnant.
I've heard that also, but I don't know if it is true.
It's true.
Oh? So who's the father?
I think the father, it is long-time boyfriend, Anthony.
What? I think she's only 15, right? It's a flirty girl. The scene you saw is an example of transactional communication, where it is a dynamic, ongoing process where individuals are simultaneously senders and receivers, constantly exchanging messages and feedback.
Oh, have you watched that video? Hopefully, you've learned from it and continue to grow as good communicators. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.